What's up guys, this is Hector. This is my first introduction video to the channel. I'm gonna be posting some automotive content, either install videos for my 2008 Mitsubishi Lancer. It could be me going to car shows, going to car meets, hanging out with friends and just having a good time. So I'll go ahead and be posting videos from time to time, showing videos about my life and exactly what I like doing, which is working with these beauties. So yeah, and just to tell you a little bit about myself, I'm 24. I'm currently a business major, and like I mentioned, we're going to be posting automotive content from time to time and just having a good time. Today we're going to be installing some 20mm spacers by H&R, which will be going on the Lancer Evolution X. We're going to go ahead and widen these wheels out a bit because they're insanely sunk in right now. Yep, these need some fixing. So yeah, we'll go ahead and have them installed in today's video and we'll get to it. We're gonna first start off by jacking up the car and taking the wheels off. Just as she's pulling up the jack.
Hello. We're gonna jack your wheel, tear it up.
Yeah.
It'll make it look. It is getting pretty close.
Okay.
So, here, out. Just a bit.
So my friend Jesus is helping me put the spacers on. We're gonna go ahead and put these 20mm spacers on. Hopefully they fit pretty good.
120.
What do you think? Will it fit?
Yeah. It looks like it fits pretty good.
Alright, so we have all the lug nuts for the Evo. All 4 spacers will be going on today. And this is his 280. One of his 280s. My boy's got like 3 now.
380s? I got 380s.
380s.
That's
The other 2 back there. Ooh.
Does it look better?
Bruh.
Can you tell?
Way better. But we'll go ahead and see, I guess, how she sits in a bit when she's down. Juicy. Right now, we're getting the last 2 spacers on. So, yep. Finishing up, you know, Daddy Jesus right here is finishing up the first, well, the first one, he's finishing up the 3rd one right now. Then we're going to get to the last spacer that we need. And after that, we'll go ahead and show you the fitment of all 4. See how it is from stock to a little bit of girth.
okay. That's your hose splitter. Your hose splitter just popped off.
Bro?
Not just fucking with you.
Bro! Bro, but that was my splitter?
No. That was the board I put on this.
Bro, you scared the fuck out of me. I was like, no.
Go forward.
Fuck, that scared the shit out of me.
Make sure you're first. Go forward. Right there. There.
Good?
Yeah.
Fuck. So, let's put this one on. Let's see if I can do it. Get her done. What the? Alright. Hey guys, so it's the following day. Yesterday we installed the spacers on the Evo, and unfortunately before I could show the final results, my camera died out on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the final result of how the spacers currently look on the stock Evo wheels. So this is the fitment with the stock Evo wheels. Honestly, it looks a lot better than it did before. There was a huge gap and it definitely looks a lot better now. Looking beautiful as ever. And she is on bags, so let me go ahead and show you how she looks aired out. This is how it looks aired out. Fitment is pretty good. A little bit tucked. Honestly, I was thinking about getting the 25mm spacers, but I figured since I'm on air, it would run into some fitment issues there. So luckily I made the right call. Yep, looks pretty good. Shit, I'm sweaty, my guy. This does conclude the video, so hopefully you enjoyed my first introduction video and showing you a little bit about how my channel's going to be like. Thank you for sticking through the video or even watching the video at all. I appreciate it, so if you could go ahead and leave a like, a comment. If you'd like to subscribe to go ahead and see any of my future content, I would highly appreciate that. Thank you so much.